day, ma'am. I am Seti Aizarulo from BS Kitchen Towing, and for today's video, I am going to cook a skirt beef steak with corn and red pepper puree. So, the procedure of making the skirt beef steak with corn and red pepper puree. First is marinate the meat for 1 hour and cook the red pepper puree. And next is cook the corn kernel together with red pepper and white onion. And the last one is fry the marinated beef into 10 minutes each side. So without further ado, let's start cooking.
These are the ingredients of skirt beef steak with corn and red pepper puree. So first we have the white onion, red pepper, water, beef, pepper, vegetable oil. We have the salt, the soy sauce, and the last one we have the kernel corn.
So I will marinate the beef. So first, I will put the soy sauce into the beef. And mix it carefully. Then we'll add the white onion. So while waiting the marinated beef, so we will proceed to the next step. So I will add the 1 cup of water and then add the red pepper and the white onions. Then wait until 10 minutes or until tender. Since it's already done, so I will transfer it into a bowl. So since I don't have food processor, so I will replace with knife and chopping board to mince the white onion and the red pepper. cook the steak in the marinade. Since it's already cooked, I will transfer it into the plate. So this is my finished product.
Takmog timba ang karne. It's good.